What has happened to BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Cocktail of the Week, number 25, quarter of a century. Didn't think I'd make it this far. I don't never think I'm going to make things very far because I'm busy as fuck. But I should start that again. I should say fuck on BC Spirits. BC Spirits is swear free, because I don't swear on BC Spirits. Okay. What has happened to BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Cocktail of the Week, number 25. What am I making this week? I'm going to be making a Fall Negroni. Now, I know last week I made a Rhubarb Collins, which is the height of summer, but I do believe this Negroni needs to be in your nomenclature coming into fall. I could have kept it for longer, but I was like, you know what? Let's throw it out there. Let's put it in people's brain now that they're going to be making this drink in fall. So it uses all Old Society products. I've used these before. I've barrel-aged these before, but I'm going to use the Wallflower gin, the classic Wallflower gin from Old Society. Now, I could have gone the barrel-aged to double down that full, but I kind of feel like the Wallflower brings some brightness to it and like levels out the deeper, like autumny flavors you get from the other stuff. The Wallflower gin, ounce, classic Negroni components, ounce. Doing, of course, an ounce of the Bittersweet Vermouth. And then finally, the Mia Amata, their Amaro. But this one's barrel-aged, so this is where I'm going to go the barrel-aged. So the barrel-aged gin, ounce of this sucker too. So, ounce, super simple. Ice, stir, to chill and dilute. Chilled Roxfield Riedel glass, strain. Big orange swath, because you know I love my swaths. For Negronis and old fashions, those cocktails on the rocks, those classics, I just like a nice, untrimmed piece of orange in my drink. Gonna give that one final little stir. And I'm gonna call this the Fall Negroni, but you can drink it any time. But I really love this, just as the leaves turn orange, it's perfect. Using all Old Society spirits, the Fall Negroni, Cocktail of the Week, number 25.